Mark, get set, go.
Oh, and he still takes the lead.
Different gears, guys.
Vegas and Brad. The wee fags.
28. 29. 29.
This is Fonga for reporting that Brad's car is completely slow and he's going to be lapped. Over. And here we go. Here we go. Here we go. And he's lapped. No, he's not. Not just quite yet. Yeah, now he is. Ha ha ha. You still think you put a bad battery in?
35.
Hey, what's Vegas on, John?
30. Getting ready to be 36. 36 right now.
Doing pretty good. Oh, shoved him to the side.
37.
Wow.
38, 36.
Yep. 36, Brad, go on 37.
What's Vegas on?
That's 39.
Vegas is on 39. Woohoo! Go, Tan Racer!
40. 2 minutes down.
Yeah, but you didn't have 36 I was trying to.
Oh, and the racer. The Tan Racer flips.
42.
Oh, 35. Why did you do that?
That was an ugly flip.
43.
Now I'm in second place.
And he's out.
Wherever you are.
41.
Round 41. You're going good.
Lap down. Get it in there, Vegas.
Oh, and he comes back.
And they are now tied in lap. Half lap lead.
2 more minutes.
JJ battery?
Yeah.
So they're tied in laps, but who's first? Brad or Vegas?
Vegas is still a little bit ahead of Brad. Getting ready to be a lap.
Yeah. Oh, and it's a lap.
That's 50 to 49.
Yep.
51.
I'm doing pretty good for a camera.
What's the time?
Kind of suck, but it'll be alright.
How many minutes?
Minute 20 seconds.
1 minute and 20 seconds. Over.
God damn it.
You going slow?
Oh no. That was lap 52.
Hey, here's getting his lap back.
4 minutes to
And he got his lap back.
4 minutes to go.
Untied.
So now, Brad's in the lead. Only racer too. Ha!
Lap, John.
Yeah, I do.
What is it?
56.
Okay. I didn't know.
57.
Thanks for complimenting.
Yeah. 30 seconds.
I lost concentration.
58.
And
20 seconds.
this is going to conclude the race here in 20 seconds.
No problem.
59, shoot for 60. 10 seconds.
Come on, big boy, you can get it. Whoop, whoop. Get an even 60. Even 60.
They're 60. Stop.
Woo! Got it, even 60.